Hey, what's up? I wanted to make a quick video. We're not on lockdown per se, but we are being affected by everything that's going on with the coronavirus and COVID-19. At the beginning of the winter, I was in Northampton, Massachusetts, which is a cool artist town in northern Mass, which was once my home. I now live in Connecticut, which is getting pretty bad because of our proximity to New York City. But anyway, shop therapy is a cool, kind of hippie, smoky, trippy shop. And so I went to get some Hippy Points there, and I got this hat. And it's a very cool hat. You can, if you had big dreads, they would probably hang out top. So I gave myself like 30 Hippy Points, and then, but the other thing is that it could act, if you're out, you pull it down, it's like a scarf, it's multi-purpose. But now I go out to the store, so I'm saving lives. And saving lives, that's 10,000 Hippy Points right there. I'm sorry to say it, bounced from 30 to 10,000 because Hippy Points save lives. And you go out to the store, you look like this. Ooh, hang on. So you go out to the store, you wear your hat, you put your gloves on, like that. You go up to the door to the store, you pull down your hippie hat, and you're all good to go. And you could get right up in somebody's face and they can't do anything about it. So that's the video I wanted to make. Everything is going on here. I study from home. I'm fortunate to have a nice space around me. There's just pretty stuff. I have neighbors, but otherwise I can come out here, I can stretch, I can breathe, and it's not so bad. I go hiking. It's pretty warm. It's starting to get springish. Yeah. So this is my Hippy Point Save Lives video, and if you don't believe it,